Do you buy travel insurance? Do you think that it's just a scam? Do you think that it's something that the travel agents are just trying to upsell you? Is it something that's swirling around in your head every time you plan a trip? Well, I'm going to tell you exactly what travel insurance covers. And if this is something you're interested in, stay tuned. Hey, fellow travelers, this is Norman Payne from Up and Away. I know that when you're planning a trip, you think about everything that goes into that trip and you consider travel insurance. But some people think it's just a scam, that travel advisors and agents are just trying to upsell you. But you need to know what is really involved in travel insurance and what does it cover, because you really need travel insurance. So I'm going to tell you exactly what it covers and what it can do for you, and it can give you a peace of mind. Travel insurance is like a safety net. You need it to protect your investment. You want to be sure that if anything happens, you're covered. And I mean that, covered. So think about purchasing your travel insurance. And these are some of the things that it covers for you. Trip cancellation. So if your trip is canceled for any possible reason, your travel insurance can cover your expenses, especially if it's non-refundable by the supplier. So if you buy a low-grade ticket from your airline, say a main cabin non-refundable airline ticket, and your trip gets canceled for any reason, then your insurance kicks in and refunds your money. And you need that, because otherwise the airlines just tells you you're out of luck. Now, you need to bounce this off of the fact if the airlines is going to give you a voucher and if that's going to be suffice for you. But if you want your money back, you need to have travel insurance. It's the only way to get it back. Also, interruption, trip interruption. If your trip is stopped for any reason, if you have to leave your destination, whether it's sickness, whether it's weather, if the weather gets bad and you have to depart and you cut your trip short, you need to get reimbursed for that trip. So that travel insurance will help you. Emergency medical. So if you get sick while you're on a trip, if something happens and you get hurt, now that's the big one. Say you out there AVTing or out there doing something crazy on vacation and you hurt yourself, you break an arm or something like that, and you have to go to a medical facility in a foreign country, those bills will rack up really, really fast. And most of them will not let you use any type of insurance that you have in the United States. You're going to have to pay your bill with a credit card in a foreign country in order to get medical treatment. Some of them won't even deal with you if they don't have a form of payment. So you're going to have to leverage your credit card. But if you have travel insurance, you'll be able to file a claim right away and get that money back, probably before you even get your bill from your credit card company. So medical, think about that. This is important. You don't want to be over in a foreign country and have to deal with their medical bills and things of that sort. So have travel insurance. Lost or delayed baggage. So it's happened to a lot of travelers. You get there and your bag is delayed or even lost. If it's lost, then really big deal. Some airlines, they have these policies where they will refund or give you some type of voucher and things like that. But it really doesn't cover the value of the things that's in your luggage. So Your travel insurance will reimburse you for the value or the things that are in your luggage. You want to have it. Now, if your baggage is delayed and say you are in your vacation destination and you have no clothing there, only the clothing on your back, and you need to purchase clothing, so you can go and purchase things so you can get by until your bags get there, and then you can take those receipts and make a claim against that if you have travel insurance and you have a policy that covers lost, stolen, or delayed bags. Trip delay or miss connection. So if you miss your connection sometimes, you might have to get on another flight. Now, if it's at your fault, the airlines don't show you any love, but your travel insurance can help you out by reimbursing you for paying for that next ticket to that next flight so you can get on with your vacation. The airlines, they'll tell you, yeah, you can get on another flight, but it's going to cost you. And you say, yeah, I need to get to my next destination and because my vacation is there, so you have to pay. But your travel insurance will reimburse you for those things. Now, also, if the airlines is late and you miss a connection, sometimes they have no love for you at all. I've heard too many stories of people having to buy another ticket on a different carrier to get on with their vacation. That can be covered with your travel insurance. If you have to stay over at a destination overnight, in a hotel, there's meals, there's possible transportation that has to be paid for you to get from the airport to that hotel and then back to the airport to catch another flight maybe the next day. All of that can be reimbursed with travel insurance. So travel insurance will cover that as well. You have to have this in your policy, so look for that. Travel assistance. Most travel insurance has 24 hours, 7 days a week assistance. So if you're in a foreign country, they also will have an interpreter that will speak on your behalf if you need that. So there are different things that your travel insurance will be able to support you with while you're traveling. So that's another benefit. If you purchase travel insurance, you can also have a travel assistant while you're traveling. Any questions you got, pick up the phone, call your travel insurance policyholder, and they will help you. You need to have someone watching over you while you're traveling. And travel insurance is just like having that person watching over your back. And they cover a lot of things. I do suggest when you're purchasing travel insurance, get a cancel for any reason policy. They're a little more expensive, but they're worth it because they give you the flexibility of canceling your trip or any unforeseen reasons that's not listed. You will be able to do a lot with a cancel for any reason policy. So look at the fine print. Go and look at several different companies. There's a lot of different policyholders out there, and find the one that fits your situation. It's worth it, believe me. Travel insurance covers a lot. It is not an upsell for a travel agent. It is something that is to protect you as the client. I sell it to my clients because I want them to be worry-free while they're on vacation. And that's what this does. This helps them to be carefree and go about their business and enjoy their vacations. So that's all I have for you. If you know of any travel insurance that you've been satisfied with, leave it in the comment section. Let me know what you think about that. and what insurance companies or policies that you've had and how they worked for you, or any incident that you've had in the past. I did a video on who needs travel protection. Check it out. Everybody needs travel protection. So if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. It's right here. And may our paths cross again real soon. And I'll see you next time. Peace.
And please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on all my social media. Just hashtag #UpUpUpNorman, where you will find my Facebook page, my Instagram account, my Twitter page, and my TikTok page.